Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the emoji keyboard on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first thing is, let's exit out of this and go into our setting. From our setting here, we're going to go to General. And from General here, we're going to go to Keyboard and then Keyboards. And then you'll see an emoji keyboard. You're going to swipe to the left, delete, and then go back again. And then we're going to be back to the main settings. Now from the main settings here, this time we're going to go to General and then scroll all the way down to Reset or Basic Transfer Phone, this option, and then we're going to click on Reset, and then we're going to go to Reset Keyboard Dictionary right here where it says Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Tap on that, enter your phone's passcode, and then click on Reset, and then go back all the way back to the main settings, and then one more time go to General and then Keyboard and then Keyboards, and then add a keyboard here, and I'm going to search for the emoji keyboard. So emoji, and then make sure it says emoji, go back again and make sure you have two of these selected, and all you do is whatever app you were using, simply swipe up and close it, relaunch it, and then your emoji keyboard should be reset just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.